easy seed starting. This I'm gonna use this aluminum foil to start seeds. You can start seeds with a container like this, and all you need to do is make a couple of holes at the bottom, and then we're gonna fill it with our seed starting mix. I have a video about how to make your own seed starting mix, so check that out. It gives great results for the seeds that I've started and I've used the past couple of years. So check out the video on my seed starting mix. So next we're gonna fill it up with our seed starting mix before we continue to putting our seeds in there and our and watering. So okay, after filling the container with seed starter mix like this, all you need to do now is sprinkle your seeds, whatever seeds you're planting, pepper, tomatoes, squash, whatever seeds you want to plant. You can just sprinkle the seeds. These seeds were dried with their flowers, so that's why it has some flowers on them. But all you need to do is sprinkle your seeds all over. Then you just water it down. Just make sure that the seed and the soil is watered, so it has some moisture in it. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our can. And we're gonna water. Okay, so it's watered down. The next step, or what I usually do, is to make sure that it maintains that humidity, that heat in there, I put it in a plastic bag. If you don't want to, that's fine. You can just put it somewhere very hot, or where it's a lot warmer than other places in the house or outside. Just leave it, let it it's gonna start germinating, so just put it somewhere it's nice and warm. So okay, it's in a plastic bag right now, and once you put it in the plastic bag, you just have to make sure it's sealed. And one more thing, if you're using a transparent bag, that's fine, it can start germinating in there, no problem. But if you're using any other color bag, any other color plastic, you need to make sure that you take out the color plastic once it starts germinating, because you want the seeds to have light once they start germinating. But if you're using a transparent plastic bag like this, then you don't have to worry, it can germinate in there for a week or two. But if you're using like regular black or different color trash bags, once the seeds start germinating and the leaves start coming out, you want to take it out, take the plastic bag out, and just make sure that it's in an area where there's a lot of sunlight for it to continue to grow and germinate. Okay, this is a week later. You can see all the most of the seeds are out already, and they're doing great. So like I said, the most important thing is making sure that the container that you use has some holes on the bottom or towards the end of the or towards the bottom, and also make sure you have a good seed starting mix. So check out my video on making your own seed starting mix, and you can definitely recycle a container like this to start your seeds. So okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.